All right, so we're back. We put in a drawer in the front of our base. That way we'd have a nice place to store, you know, the essentials. We got some needles in there, some extra components, and so on and so forth. You know, we went with a red, white, and blue theme on our base. Very patriotic, you know, and yeah, for a knob, we actually cut off the tail end of a screwdriver. We picked a screwdriver that, you know, we got a bunch of old ones. We picked one that had like a green inset, which we picked so it would match the paint scheme on the actual, with the green color on the actual main housing. So what we did to make this stable, really solid, okay, on here, on our table, or, you know, anywhere that we want to utilize this, you know, because we left this as a mobile unit, okay, is we put in a piece of billet steel, okay. You can see the weight here, almost 20 pounds, 19, almost 20 pounds. We put a 20-pound billet inside, underneath the machine, okay. So that gives it a nice solid foundation, okay. So this doesn't move. This unit altogether is 50 pounds with the you know, with the machine, the base that we built, and the billet. We got 50 pounds, so it's solid, and we have it sitting on a cushioned work mat, okay. It's one of our cushioned armor mats, okay. So it's got a grippy bottom to it, similar to this one here, okay. It's like a mouse pad, the bottom of a mouse pad. So it's very very grippy. It doesn't move. So wherever you have this machine, if you have this machine sitting on top of it, I mean, it literally does not, this does not move. So it's a great platform for working, okay. So that's one of the upgrades that we did to our stitching machine. All right, so it's phenomenal. It gives us the ability, like I said, to move around, be mobile with this unit, okay. You know, lifting the 50 pounds is probably not a problem for most people. So another upgrade we did was installed a platform for the large spools to sit on. When packaging comes in a tube and it has these metal end caps, we actually just drilled a hole. We you know, inserted that over the default screw that was here, or bolt that was here, okay. And then we found this 6-inch tall metal dowel, okay, hollow, and we put end caps on, so it worked out perfect. And what we did, so it'd be rock solid, is we filled this with hot glue, okay. So when it cured, it's like rock solid, okay. It's a nice platform, so the large spools fit perfectly right on there, you know. And then what we did was we just made a real simple guide out of a piece of wire, okay. We put it underneath the nut on this one side, and it's just a simple wire that runs up, and so it lifts the thread up, so the thread doesn't hang. It puts the correct amount of tension. As it pulls through, you know, it keeps the you could see it creates tension there. It actually moves. Yeah, works perfectly, and it keeps the thread from laying down on the machine or getting, you know, hung up, okay. Pulls it from the more of the middle, or it lifts it up, okay. So which is what you want. So hopefully this has been helpful, and it's giving you some ideas of what you might want to do. okay, and make your experience with your machine that much more enjoyable. That's what we're here for. We're here to help. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. If you'd like, you can subscribe to our channel. There's no cost, and we look forward to seeing you on the next project.